I make $1,200 every single day. And sometimes I look at it and I feel like I'm doing something illegal, but I'm not. This is completely legal, and I'm going to break down exactly how to do it. Listen, I know what you're thinking. $1,200 a day sounds crazy, but I'm not here to show off fancy cars or mansions. I'm here to show you a real strategy that actually works. This isn't about creating some unrealistic dream. This is about building a real business that generates serious income and allows you to become financially free. Here's the brutal truth. Most people are doing business completely wrong. They're working hard, grinding away, but they're missing the entire point of making money. It's not about working more, working longer hours. It's about working smarter. It's about understanding the game and playing it differently than everyone else. Let me take you back to when I was struggling. I was doing everything right. I was posting on social media, creating content, reaching out to potential customers, but I was making pennies. I was frustrated, tired, and honestly, ready to give up. Every single day felt like an uphill battle. I was trapped in this cycle of constant hustle with zero results. Most people get stuck in what I call the hustle trap. They believe more hours at work equals more money. But this is a lie. It only gets you so far. More hours just mean more burnout. What you need is a strategic approach that maximizes your time and your skills. Just think about your current situation. Are you working harder and smarter, but seeing minimal returns? Are you constantly exhausted, feeling like you're spinning your wheels? This was me not too long ago. I was pouring my heart and soul into my business, but the results never matched my effort. But then, I discovered something that changed everything. The secret isn't just creating content. The secret is creating value that people are willing to pay serious money for. And I'm not talking about just any value. I'm talking about transformative, life-changing value that solves real problems. The biggest mistake I see most entrepreneurs make is thinking providing information is enough. But here's a newsflash. Information is free. Google exists and for free. What people are actually paying for is implementation, guidance, and a proven roadmap to success. I realized that people don't just want yet another course or another piece of generic advice. They want a clear, step-by-step blueprint that takes them from where they are to where they want to be. They want someone who has been in their shoes and can show them exactly how to overcome their specific challenges. Here's how it works. Most people think they need to create a ton of free content and hope someone buys something. That is backwards, and that's exactly what keeps most aspiring business owners broke. What you need to do is to solve a painful problem for people and then charge a premium price for solving it. Think about it like this. Would you rather buy a $5 solution or a $5,000 solution that actually delivers results? Most people would choose the $5,000 option because they believe it's more valuable, and they're right. My strategy is simple. I provide a free content that gives people a taste of what I can do. But here's the key. I don't just give them information. I give them a roadmap, a blueprint, something they can actually use. Now, most people will say, I don't have the time, or it's too risky. What if I fail? These are excuses. Every single successful entrepreneur has faced these same doubts and pushed through them. And the worst excuse of all is the fear of failure. Because if you never try, then you're 100% guaranteed to fail. Just think about it for a second and just consider the typical entrepreneur journey. Most people get stuck waiting for the perfect moment. They want everything to be just right before they start. But here is a truth bomb. The perfect moment literally never comes. True entrepreneurs create their own opportunities. They make their own luck. I personally grew up in a low middle class family and I saw my parents working hard all of their lives. So from a very young age, I felt it was my responsibility to become successful so I could provide for the people that I love. So first, there's the free content. And then, for people who want the full implementation, who want me to guide them step by step, I offer high-ticket coaching. We're talking about packages between $1,000 and $10,000. So to reach my monthly desired income, I don't necessarily need hundreds of clients. I only need a few committed people. By the way, if you're ready to launch your high-ticket business and start earning $5K to $10K per month, book a call with me or my team. Let me break down the formula I use to print money on demand. It's basically 3 steps: traffic, calls, and money. First, I get people's attention through social media. Then I hop on calls with potential customers. And then I close those calls into high-ticket offers. But here's what most people get wrong. They're scared. They're afraid of charging high prices. They think that no one will pay. But that's a lie you're telling yourself. People don't buy based on price. They buy based on value. When I first started, I was terrified. What if no one bought my offer? What if I looked stupid? But you know what's more stupid? Staying stuck and never taking a chance. Fear is honestly the biggest tax you'll pay on a dream you never pursue. So I invested in mentorship. I learned from people who were already doing what I wanted to do. And then everything changed. Suddenly, I wasn't guessing anything anymore. I had a proven blueprint to follow. I stopped listening to people who weren't where I wanted to be. That's why you've got to stop listening to your broke friends and university teachers. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be easy. It takes work. It takes courage. You have to be willing to show up, to be vulnerable, and to actually help people to solve real problems. Most people think they can make a quick buck or become millionaires in 90 days by reselling the same garbage AliExpress products. With Shopify, come on, just wake up. So this isn't about overnight success. This is about strategic, consistent action. Successful entrepreneurs don't just work hard. They ruthlessly eliminate distractions. They prioritize skill development. And they understand that every minute spent on a low-value activity is a minute stolen from their potential, which is exactly why I developed a system of laser-focused productivity. Every single day I ask myself, is what I'm doing right now moving me closer to my goals? If the answer is no, it's simple. I cut it out. No excuses, no negotiations. That is how you build a seriously successful business in record time. The most successful businesses solve a specific, painful problem for a specific group of people, and they charge accordingly. If you're solving a problem that's costing someone tens of thousands of dollars, why would you charge hundreds? No one is going to take you seriously. The difference between the price of a Happy Meal and a knee surgery comes down to value, pain, and urgency. A Happy Meal is cheap because it's just food. There's no real urgency, and it doesn't solve a painful problem. But a knee surgery, that is life-changing. Because if someone is in excruciating pain and they can't walk, they will pay whatever it takes to fix it. The more painful and urgent a problem is, the more people are willing to invest in a solution. That's why high-ticket services and coaching exist, because real problems demand real solutions. You have to understand that your pricing is a signal of your confidence. Low prices scream, I'm not sure I can help you. High prices say, I know exactly what I'm doing and I can help you to get results. Now, if you're watching this thinking, okay, this sounds great, but I could never do this, stop. Just stop. The only difference between you and someone who is successful is the decision to start and to commit to learn. You want to develop a growth mindset, see challenges as opportunities, stop looking at failures as dead ends, and start seeing them as valuable lessons. Every successful entrepreneur has a trail of failures behind them. The difference is they kept moving forward. I'm offering coaching calls and resources for people who are serious about changing their life, not tire kickers, not people looking for magic solutions, people who are ready to invest in themselves. So really understand this. Success isn't about having the perfect conditions. It's about making strategic choices and relentlessly pursuing your goals. Most people get stuck waiting for the perfect moment, but true entrepreneurs create their own opportunities. So your potential isn't determined by your circumstances, but by how much you're willing to sacrifice to get what you want. So are you ready to commit? Are you ready to stop making excuses and start making progress? And this isn't just about making money. This is about building a life of freedom, impact, and purpose. So are you in? Or would you rather spend the rest of your life working for someone who doesn't really care about you or your family? Because if you're willing to do the work, to challenge yourself, and to relentlessly pursue your goals, then there's nothing that can stop you. Remember, success is a deliberate choice. It's not just something that happens by accident. You don't wake up one morning with a $10,000 a month business out of the blue. There's a specific process you need to follow in order to actually get there. Now, if you're ready to launch your high-ticket business and start earning $5K to $10K per month, book a call with me or my team. The links are in the description.